This fan also has a drifting capacitor, so I'm doing a remake of it because I haven't done a 4K 60 frames per second HDR remake. Light still works as usual.
That one is different. That one is small. That's a different brand.
Low speed. This is a 44-inch fan, uses a 153 by 15 millimeter spinner motor. So yeah, keep in mind that this fan doesn't spin as fast as the last one I'm gonna show. And that's low. That's a pretty fast low, if you ask me. Alright, put it up to medium. Generally, these fans known to have failing capacitors, but that's typical with a fan.
Outside.
You can tell it still works. Alright. Runs really well. Other than that, the fact that high speed is not that much difference. And I'm not going to make the video too long because the capacitor on this one is bad. Here's high speed. I'm going to turn the light back on. Not much of a difference between medium and high.
We tried sweater. We look like a sausage. Doesn't look comfort.
And it doesn't really put out a ton of air like it should. You can tell the start capacitor run capacitor is failing, so yeah, this fan is definitely getting a new capacitor someday so it can be up to date, along with the other one I'm going to show next.
So you had to run 20 lines.
So yeah, that's it.
And then we had to pay for it because they had to